Hey guys, this is Rupa and welcome back to my channel. Today I have one more awesome and creative school English magazine for you. The purpose of this video is to help the students who want to prepare school projects. When I gave school magazine project to my students, they had asked so many doubts like how to make DIY magazine, what are the materials we have to use, which type of articles we can include, how to get impression from the reader, etc. In this video, I'm going to crack all those doubts. So let's get started. This is the magazine I'm going to show you now. I will explain each and every page, so don't skip the video. This is the front page. See how creative and attractive it is. The title of this magazine is English Bridge. And try to think of a catchy title for your project. By the way, don't forget to highlight your title, and one more crucial point is your front page should be more attractive because first impression is the best impression. The next is content page. Here you have to write all the titles of your articles along with page numbers. If you add page numbers to your project, it helps the reader to find whatever he wants from the content. This is the declaration page. To make this project more professional, we included declaration page. Here you can see my name under the guidance of Rupa Devi. And the first article of this magazine is Grammar Tree. And the topic is parts of speech in English. Here you can read about all the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection and conjunction. And I already made a video on the topic parts of speech. There I explained clearly about all the parts of speech in English, and I left that video's link on iCards and description. If you want, you can check it out. This is an article about the concept relative pronouns. Here we have the most common relative pronouns like who, which, that, where, what, etc. And the next page is about the types of articles. Here you can read the concepts of articles. And this is all about money and its forms. For example, the money employed gives you is salary. The money borrowed from a bank is loan. The next article is about speaking skills, and its title is Let's Communicate. Here we have phrases for invitations, phrases for asking directions, phrases for giving bad news, useful phrases in shopping, few phrases for saying no, and finally phrases for asking information. And this is a general article called Save Girl Child. Here you can see a diagram representing this article. And you can also select more general topics like save water, deforestation, etc. This is a TLM project on synonyms in English. These type of crafts encourage readers to read your magazine, and including crafts like this in school projects is the best thing to get good score in school competitions. This is a fun article. Here we have English riddles and we hid the answers on the back side. That creates interest among readers. For example, what has a head and a tail but no body? Yes, you are right. It is a coin. And to make these magazines as a sweet memories of my students, I told them to paste their school photos in their projects, and they felt very happy for that. And finally, this is thank you page. Let me read this. Firstly, I want to thank to God for giving me this golden opportunity to make this magazine. Secondly, I want to thank my parents for giving me permission for this magazine. The last but not the least, I want to thank Rupa ma'am for helping and guiding me. This wouldn't be possible without ma'am's guidance and training. That's so sweet, my dear. Actually, in this corona time, I am remembering my lovely students while making these videos, and I really miss them. So this is all about today's school magazine. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.